Hey everyone, I'm back. Let's see what today's new challenge is. It's a Lego off-road showdown. Which car will conquer all challenges? Let's find out. First up, the rolling trap challenge. Can the red car make it? The rear wheels are stuck. Red car fails. Next is the tractor. It's approaching the trap. Oh no, it failed too. Now, the tank is climbing the trap pretty well. It made it. Nice job. Let's watch that again. Switching to the rubber band car. It's stuck too. Another failure. Strange car. Sails through easily. Let's replay that. Time for the tire stack challenge. Red car goes first. Putting in the effort. The wheels are tilting.
Nope.
It toppled over. Let's take another look. Let's see the tractor in action. Aha! It's popping a wheelie. Didn't get the win. Back to the tank. Wow, great climbing. It cleared it. What about the rubber band car? Not looking good. Ah, failed again. Strange car's turn. Wow, another victory. A clean run. Next up, the stairway challenge. This time, the red car climbs up pretty fast. Yeah, awesome. Finally, cleared one challenge. Will the tank continue its winning streak? Let's rewind a bit. Amazing. 3 straight wins. Now, the tractor. It's struggling step by step. Ah, too bad. No wins here. Rubber band car. Stuck again. No comeback this time. Finally, the strange car. Oh, it gave up on the final challenge. Congrats to the tank, the ultimate champion. But wait, there's more. Let's check out the tug-of-war between the red car and the rubber band car. Rubber's taking the lead. Yes, rubber band car wins. Now, the strange car enters the ring. This is intense. I see the winner already. It's strange car. Next opponent, the tank. Wow, strange car dominates again. How about against the tractor? Come on, make it a winning streak. And congrats! Strange Car wins the Tug of War challenge. How did you feel about today's challenge? Leave a comment below. How high do you think a Lego car can climb? 5 centimeters? 10 centimeters? Or even higher? Today, we're pushing the limits by testing how steep a Lego wall it can conquer. Let's find out. First up, a tiny 0.9 centimeter wall. I send in a basic, no-frills car. Clears it like it's nothing. Now let's double the height. Things start getting interesting. It's not making it over. Solution? Beefy off-road tires all around. It climbs like a champ. Next challenge, 2.7 centimeters. This monster doesn't even break a sweat. Up to 3.6 centimeters. Still ridiculously easy. Then we hit the 4.5 centimeter mark. And we've found our limit. Time to bring in the new prototype, a flexible segmented frame design. It fights for traction, but finally makes it over. Can it handle 5.4 centimeters? Absolutely no issues. Pushing to 6.3 centimeters. Nails it perfectly. How about 7.2 centimeters? Another flawless victory. But here's the real test. At 8.1 centimeters, this design finally taps out. But we're just getting started. Introducing version 2.0, a gear-driven climber with rotating lift arms. Let's put it through its paces. Moves slow but super steady. Yes, it scales the wall. Next level, 9 centimeters. The gear mechanism performs beautifully, hoisting it up. Another round, another success. Now for the grand finale, 9.9 centimeters. Can our engineering marvel pull off one last miracle? Oh no, the mighty climber finally topples and falls. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, I've got a super intense challenge for you, a Lego car jumping over flaming candles. Will it make it? Let's find out. First up, the Blazing Fire Candles Challenge. Our first contestant is the Speed Ace. Here it goes, and it stalls. Looks like it couldn't make the jump over the flames. Next up, Gear Up. Knocks over a candle instantly. But hey, it still counts. What's this? The Track Pro. Snuffs out a candle in one shot, and Track Pro nails it. Contestant number 4, the FlexBot. Let's go. Slams straight into the candles. Another victory for us. Last but not least, Turbo Max. Absolutely insane. 4 successful jumps in a row. Challenge number 2, the Bottomless Gap Jump. Starting with a 20-centimeter gap. Oh no, FlexBot plunges into the abyss. Track Pro. Its control unit flies off, but it still makes it across. Turbo Max zooms over effortlessly. Now, a 30-centimeter gap. Track Pro takes a dive again. Turbo Max, another glorious success. Final round, 40-centimeter gap. Oh no, Turbo Max fails this time. Let me adjust the ramp higher. This time, success! Congratulations to the ultimate champion, Turbo Max! Hey everyone, I'm back. Today we've got a dramatic challenge coming your way. These Lego cars are going head to head. Which one will be the strongest? Let's find out. Watch me build the vertical push car. Let's kick off round 1. Our first opponent is the yellow blade car. The vertical push car is dominating the match. Okay, the yellow blade car was easily overturned. Time for another car. What do we have here? Ah, a tall track car. Let's jump into round 2. The vertical push car is coming in strong, pushing the opponent back. Looks like the result is already clear. That's right, the tall track car goes down. Now, here's another one. A mini off-roader that looks pretty powerful. Let's see who's stronger in this match. The vertical push car is advancing quite fast. Oh, the 2 cars are locking horns. Mini off-roader is pushing back. How formidable. Looks like the vertical push car can't hold on any longer. I think the weight and motor power are really giving the mini off-roader the upper hand. So even with a strong effort, the vertical push car just couldn't overpower this heavy weight. So, which car do you think can beat the mini off-roader? For the final match, I'm bringing out the pulley car. The pulley car charges forward. Super fast. But the mini off-roader isn't budging. It's even pushing back. Really strong. And nope, no spectacular comeback here. The pulley car fell into the mud. Cheers to the mini off-roader. Thanks for watching. More cool LEGO experiments coming soon.